So for today's video is a mini Shein haul. I don't know if y'all remember my last Shein haul. I said that some of my clothes that didn't fit I had to return. Well, they really fit me well, so I have them right here and I want to show you what else I got. So I hope you guys enjoyed my Shein haul, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel because that means so much to me. And my coffee, guys, look at it. Okay, I already drank my cold foam. It's bomb. And you want to see what it looks like? It's right here. Oh y'all, if y'all can read that. Okay, this is bomb. This is like tops any other coffee I got from Starbucks. This is like the coffee I'll be drinking. So I'm gonna put y'all on. So go get it at Starbucks. First off is this shirt. It says it's my world. We're just living in it. Oh my god, it screams me in a shirt. Just like, you know, I love the shirt. Very like, I don't know if it's a Bratz or not. I don't know. But I really love this shirt. I saw it on Instagram. I'm like, I gotta have that shirt. The shirt is me. So this is the shirt, what it looks like. That's what it looks like. It's crop top, and I'm wearing a size medium in all clothing. So that's what it looks like. I love the colors of this, and it's super cute. I love crop tops, and this is a very cute shirt. Next shirt I have this shirt. I got this shirt because I love it so much. It has some brown, some caramel beige, and some white. I know it's not everyone's pick in a shirt, but I love this shirt, so I'm gonna try it on for y'all, and it's really good quality. I actually like it, and I love how the stitching is like in the outside. That's what I love about it. It's so different and unique. It's something out of my comfort zone, but like, I'm willing to try anything different, so I really like this shirt. So let me try it on real quick. Okay, here it is. It's not everyone's style, but I freaking love it. It's really different. Something to spice it up. You can wear some brown jeans. You can really dress this up, and I really like it. So that's what it looks like. Super cute, unique. Let me scoot back more. So there you go. See? More unique, cute. I love it, and it feels good. The medium fits me just right because I had the small, it would have been like, hey. So all the clothing I have in here are medium. So to let y'all know that. So that's what it looks like. Freaking cute. I have everything linked down below to let y'all know. Okay, next shirt I got is this light brown sand. I don't know how you explain this color, but I got this crop long sleeve. It's super cute. I love the area where the boob is. It just gives that little scrunch, a little bit of a detail in front of it, and that's what I like about it. So I'm gonna try this on for y'all. Okay, so this is how this one is. Don't mind my bra strap. You don't really have to wear a bra with this. You can wear, what I like to do is, if you have any bras that have these little pads in it and they're very easy to come out, you can easily take them out, and then you can just like not wear a bra and then just like slide these in there. That's what I do for most of my shirts, because like my bra will make a shirt look like, ooh, too big. So sometimes I like to put those pads in, and it'll help. So don't mind my bra. Again, so this is what the shirt looks like. I really love this. I love the detailing right here. It fits really good, and I love how it just goes right at my wrist. It's a good length for my arms. I like this color. It's different. I have multiple colors. I like this shirt. Next shirt is a little something different. It's a little sheer, but I love it. So it's this marble mesh kind of long sleeve. I saw this. I was like, that is cute. I need that in my cart, and I freaking love it. So it's really different out of my comfort zone, but we're gonna try it on. So with this, I got a little white crop shirt. So this is what I got for under, because it is sheer, so I need something under that, you know, won't look like, girl. So I got this. So I'm gonna be definitely trying this on. You can also wear this by itself, but I like to have it just, you know, for underclothes, just in case if I need to put something under. I have this, and I'll show y'all what this looks like by itself, and then I'll put this on top. Okay guys, so this is the tank top I got. This is in white. Those pads in, just in case, like if my nips show through the white, because it looks a little bit see-through, so I just put the pads in just in case. But this is what it looks by itself. Super cute. I love the length. You can pick it up a little bit, and like very cute staple little simple pieces that can dress up your outfit, dress down. These are staples that you need in your collection. So this is what it looks like. Okay, so now it's this shirt, this long sleeve mesh shirt that I have on. So see how like it complements. You don't really see that much, but I love this marble sheer kind of print. I don't know how you explain it. I love how it has this little, what do you call this? Like little crinkles on the little, I don't know, just kind of detailing on the wrist, and it has it on the neckline. I think that's so cute. so different, and this is what it looks like. You see how the white actually complements it. So next shirt I have is the same one. It's a white one. It's the black one, black little tank top. Like I said, you always need these kind of little basic little tops for whenever you need them. And yeah, I love the material. These are very thick. I feel like they're great quality. And let's try it on. And I love it. Black, you never go wrong with black. It's always good to have your kind of a simple black top. So this is what it looks like. Super cute. You can see it just like this. Looks really good too. I love it. So this is what it looks. I love it so much. So got the shirt. Next shirt, I think it's one of my favorites. Me. This shirt that says honey. I know this is like so Y2K. I just couldn't resist not getting it, so I had to get it. I love the rhinestones. It's so like 2000-ish. So 2000. I just love it. Just like honey. Like, you know, super cute. So let's try this on because I freaking love the shirt. I really love the shirt. Okay, here's the shirt. Oh my god, I freaking love it. I did put the pads in, so they can help. So you don't have to wear a bra with this. So if you need to not wear a bra and your nips show, take out the pads out of one of your bras and it'll look good. So that's what it looks like. It does go up a little bit if you have like, if you're very big on the chest. It kind of does kind of come up. It's like right under your boob. If you're not, you're a lucky girl. So yeah, that's what it looks like. I freaking love it. I love it. I just need to get really like more bottoms, but I just gotta get like more bottoms. So the last shirt I have is this white like school shirt kind of looking type. That's what it looks like. This white school shirt, because I got this because I wanted to put this under my vest. So I'll show you what this looks like under my vest, but I really like it. So this is what I'm going to use it for, just for like any vests. So let's go put it on. I don't know if y'all like see like the point of the shirt, but yeah, it's supposed to go under my vest. It's supposed to go under my vest. So this is what it looks like. Super cute. This is what I wanted it for, just for like, and then under any vests I'll get in the future. So that's what it looks like. The last two things I have is some bikinis, a bikini I have. So first off, I love the packaging that comes in with the bikinis. So first I got this. It's really confusing, but I'll put a picture of a model of the girl. But I did get this one. So you'll see me wearing this. It's really cute. I should fix it a little bit more. Okay. A little bit more reasonable. I saw this on Shein and I was like, I need this. So that's what it looks like. It's supposed to go right here. You wear it. Super cute. I love the color of it and it's really cute. So the bottoms I got there is black bottoms because I really wanted some black bottoms. I don't have really good ones that are a little bit more cheeky. Because I usually get that are not cheeky. How did this go? I am so confused. Okay, yeah, so these are the bottoms I got. This is like my first pair that's a little bit of cheeky. It still covers though. It covers really good though. So that's the front, the back, super cute. Black bottoms are like rib. So I love about it. Very like good material. So yes, I did get some Sheen bikinis. This is my first bikini from, it was my second bikini from Shein. I do have a blue one that I have. But if you would like to see more Sheen bikinis, leave a comment down below and I will definitely do it. The last thing I got is my first bucket hat. I'm so excited. I really wanted one of these for a very long time. I always see people have them. I'm like, oh, I want one. So I got a white one for now. So this is how it looks like on me. Hopefully I look okay. Do I look funny? I don't know if I have it on right, but you know, I still look cute. So yeah, this is the last thing I have, and I love it because in here you can like pinch it and it'll make the hat a little smaller, I guess. That's what I love about it. So if you would like to see another haul, leave a thumbs up. If any questions, leave a comment down below. I'll have everything linked down below so y'all can get your hands on some of these clothes. So I really hope you guys enjoyed my video. I love these kind of hauls, and I hope you guys enjoyed my video. So don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to turn on notifications to be notified of a new video. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!